Hello and welcome to Instant Node. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up in iPhone 2024. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that the Facebook app is up to date. Go to App Store and search for Facebook. Here you will get a update icon. If it's not the updated one, you need to click on that update icon and update it. The next thing is go to the settings. And here then you need to go to the general settings. Scroll down and then click on iPhone storage. Here under the applications, just choose Facebook. Then click on offload app. That means try to uninstall and install one application. Pop-up window will come. Again click on offload app. As you can see, it's giving option of reinstall app. Click on that. It might take few seconds to reinstall. So once it has been reinstalled, you can again go to Facebook, click on it and then click on menu at below right side. It will get you to this page. Scroll down and click on help and support. Then click on report a problem. This window will come. Click on continue to report. Click include or don't include, it up to you. I'll choose include here. Here you can go to the search bar and search for dating. If it is not coming for you, that means the Facebook have not included it here. What you can do is scroll down and then you can click on others. At the end, you will see this option. Here it will ask you what went wrong. You can write that your Facebook dating is not showing up and there is an issue with it. And you can also add the take screenshot over here and add the screenshot. After that, you can click on send button at upper right side. So the Facebook, they will contact you back with the resolution and the issue will be resolved. This is how you can fix it. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.